Hey, what's going on, guys? I got some change from buying a bunch of stuff at the stores today, and so I thought I'd go through it with you. It's just fresh out of my wallet. We'll see if we find anything that's collectible or hopefully worth more than face value. So let's get to it. Series 2017A. First thing I like to look for is stuff in the serial number, of course, misprints, ink issues, if the thing's printed, misaligned or miscut. It's a really cool hobby because you can pull money right out of your purse, your wallet, pocket, whatever, and just take a quick look at it. And in the case of banknotes, they can be worth really good money, especially collectible serial numbers and things of the like. So get into it if you're into it, and it costs no money but the money that's already in your pocket. So cool. Nothing there, though. Hey, kind of cool. Speaking of date notes, 2027 057. I really like them when they're month, day, and then year. But this is a nice one. It's a little bit in the future, but of course, hopefully we make it there and the planet doesn't explode, and we'll make it to 2027. I might just hold on to this one as a small find, but normally I would have liked it to have been May 17th, 2027, so just these four flipped to the front. But let me know if you prefer a specific format on date notes in the comments. They're really neat. A lot of people like birthday notes. Somebody at some point will be born on May 17th, 2027. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to hold on to that. Back of the note, though, let's not forget about that. I almost forgot. Little damage, so that's a bummer. And it's a little wrinkled up and shows its age, despite the fact it's only a 2020 or 2017 series $1 note. But nothing else jumping out, but cool serial number. Oh no, 666, the mark of the beast. Series 2017. Yeah, a little bit of repetition, this serial number, but not enough to hold on to. Back of the note, nothing misaligned or anything on the front there. Free booger on the back, so yay for us. Yeah, some fours. Would have been nice to just have nothing but fours. Somebody just posted a solid serial number, I think like all fives, in one of the groups. That thing's going to be worth good money, and the bill they had was a $20 bill. This one's been wet, of course. Look at that little guy down there, little dude. Bam. Back of the note. All right, we'll move on. I'll stop yapping. Nothing really jumping out. Pretty beat up, too. Some fours, some twos. Shifted a little bit up in the seal and serial numbers, but much better condition than the other notes so far. And nothing going on the back. 2013. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of like a ladder, but I like to just have one of each digit and kind of make its way up or down, even broken up. Oh, gross, whatever that is. And nothing on the back, but kind of a neat serial number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but kind of funky. Looks like somebody had craft day explode on this thing. I don't know if you can see that, but it's glittery. Some 8s, some 9s, some 5s, but nothing collectible enough, and a bunch of gunk on the front of it. Nothing on the back. And nothing in the serial number. Early 2000s, they redesigned a bunch of notes, 5s, 10s, 20s, for anti-counterfeit measures. They've already said they're going to do it again and release the tentative dates for each of the denominations. I'll be doing a video covering that soon. But lots of stuff on the horizon with the release of new banknotes, so I'm really excited, as it seems like a lot of people are getting into collecting banknotes more so than ever. 2013. Look at this date. It's kind of printed a little funky. A little heavy on the 2 there, a little kind of jacked up, but it could just be damage. You can see a lot of folds going on. I mean, you can let me know if my eyes deceive me, but for a second there, with the damage, I'm not going to hold on to it, but a little funky. Yeah, 0263. Nothing there. 2017A. A little bit of kind of right on above the word series. A little bit of that ink from the back there kind of coming through. So, when they re-ink stuff and re-lubricate everything, sometimes it'll kind of lay down excess ink, and you can hold on to them if they're really dramatic. Getting down there, though. Only a few more bills. A lot quicker of a bill search this time around. I had less kind of loose banknotes on me. Spending all my money on bills, man. 6587639. Nothing going on there. 2017A. I think the $5 notes are the second ones to come out as they redesign them. Nothing going on there. Getting down there. Beat up $1 note. 151. Nothing in the serial number. Kind of neat though. 15, 16 would have been cool to have, like, 14 or something. But 15, 16, 17. But nothing here. Would have been real cool to have a pattern like that though. Other than that, regular old $1 bill that really can't buy much these days. And some discoloration and damage going on. Last two, we'll just do them at the same time. Why not? Top one. Nothing in the serial number. 2017A series. Little shift up in the seal, but nothing to call home about. Other than that, just regular old one. It's printed a little high too. It's a little bit of a misalign, but unless they're riding up on the edge or shifted over a dramatic amount, I wouldn't consider them, misaligned. It's within acceptable range. Last but not least, 2021 series. Only difference here between these and any other $1 note since the 50s is the series date and the signatures on it. Other than that, they really haven't changed anything. Front of the note, nothing going on the serial number. This is probably the nicest one, despite this big old fold, out of basically every one from this bill search with all these notes. Jacked up, man, but I like it. And you can kind of see a press through there, extra inking of Washington's coat. If you can make him out entirely, I've seen those sell for over face value to people, but you have to be able to make out pretty much the portrait of him through the back of the note. But those are really, really cool. So what did we hold on to? We found it pretty early on. Kind of a date note. I'm going to call it a birthday note. Future birthday note. 2027, May 17th. My birthday is May 3rd, so not too far after that, here in only 2 years, really 2.5 years. So man, I'm getting old. But anyhow, I'm going to hold on to it. Let me know if you like it in a different format, month, day of the year. And that's how I usually prefer the format to be, 05/17/2027. But I'm going to hold on to it. It's kind of cool. And I think somebody might like that here in a year or two. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you've come across in your coin and banknote searches, as well as collectible searches lately in the comments as well. I love reading about that, so I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.